That is $10, $50, $20, or even $100. You can make just clicking a button, and no need to refer anything, no need to do anything. It's not like any survey. You can just click a button and you can get paid. Stay tuned for more and watch it. Find it is. Okay guys, and without any further ado guys, let's dive into this video guys. Before diving into this video, if you're new here, hit the subscribe button and like for the YouTube algorithm, and share with your friends and family who wants to make $150 or even more than that by simply clicking on some button. Without any further ado guys, and the first website, the website we're gonna see is called Daily Referral app guys. By the way, I leave a link below guys. By the way, it's a referral link. You can click and you can get 5 tickets. I explain how you can make money with this website. So watch till end guys, and don't skip any part because this is a crucial part you gonna miss. So watch till end guys. I show you how it's work and how you can make money some with good amount of money with this. And like I said, this is the website or app. I show you a app in my mobile. I work it and you can easily get what it is. And like I said, this is the app, and this website is like a, it's like a lottery ticket. Once you pick a number, that number is same with the company number, you can get paid, something like that. If the company put a 3, you can choose a 3 and you can get money. It's simple guys, but you need a luck. I think everybody has a luck if you subscribe my channel. So hit the subscribe button for me for YouTube guys. And it's a simple one, and this is the easiest guys. Each ticket consists of 6 numbers guys, between 1 and 9, and you can choose among those guys, and you can choose whatever number you want, and those number matches with the lottery number, you can get paid some good amount of money with this. And this app available on Android and iPhone guys, and you can play with this in the desktop version or website version. You can play only using your Android app or iPhone app. I show the version of Android app, and you can easily get what it is and how it's look inside and how you can withdraw money. It's a simple paper money. You can easily make up to $150 or even more than that daily if you have a luck. I think everybody has a luck like I said before. And this is some of the app screenshot guys, and this is the app look like in Play Store, and it got around 4.6 star rating, and it's a good guys. People are making some good amount of money. You can make up to $150. That's a maximum if you had some lots of luck. But you didn't have a luck, you can get paid at least $4 for participation referral, something like that guys. You can get paid, you can make some good amount of money with this even monthly and over again. And this is the app look like in App Store, and you can price up to $1,000 guys. Like I said, you can make up to $1,000, it's even more than that guys. Just to pick a number, I show you how it's work and how you can make money, and click a link below guys. That's my referral link, and you can get 5 ticket 5 lottery ticket. You can easily enter with the 5 lottery ticket and you can get paid with this. Like I said, it's got 4.3 out of 5, and it's good app guys. It's not like any scammy. You can do anything, just pick a number and hope it you can get paid, something like that, and you can get paid. It's all about luck and all about strategy. Nothing any strategy, like you can just put a number, pick a number and put your lucky number. You can get paid some good amount of money with this. And this is the website like I said, the dailyreferralapp.com. By the way, I leave a link below like I said. And without any further ado guys, let's dive into this app version and show you how you can withdraw your money and how you can sign up, something like that. It's a simple way you can easily sign up and you can make some good amount of money with this. So I show you the mobile version. Guys, this is the app look like. First you need to sign up, and this is the sign up page. Once you put a number, you can get paid, or you can log in by or create an account by just using Google or Facebook, and you can create a account in this app easily guys. Just a one click button you can create, or you put your number and you can create your account. This is a simple step, you can create your account, and you can only create your account by using app, not in the desktop version, not in the website version. Just install an app on your phone. It's nothing like any simple. I already show you the app look like, and this is the in-app look like guys, and this is how you can make money with this. And this is the daily referral guys, and this is the game rules, and you can go through all the game rules guys. And this is the game rules. Only you can daily draw at 6 p.m. guys. It's a universal time and you can get paid some good amount of money with this. And get the first four number in the same order to win $10. If you get a four number in the same order, you can get $10. If you get five numbers in the same order, you get $50. You can get six number in order to win $500, guys. It's easy, just a six number. If you have some good amount of luck, you think you can get paid some good amount of money. And it's all about in PayPal, guys. You only withdraw your money if you add a PayPal account. And this app is free to charge, and I show you how's the ticket look like, guys. And this is once you log in, and this is look like, and click get a ticket, guys. It's show, and you can pick some six number among those nine numbers, guys. I just pick 1 2 3 4 5 6, add ticket. It added to ticket. I already had a three ticket, guys. You can see already had a three ticket, and you can get all your ticket, guys. Then only you can easily you can put lots of chance of yours, and you can get paid some good amount of money. Just pick whatever number you want. It doesn't matter. If you had any strategy, you can do it, or you can get paid. Just put some lots of ticket, and you can get paid some good amount of money with this. And this is the ticket, guys. How many tickets you have put, it's shown in order. I have 8 ticket, guys. Like I said, this is the ticket number. If you get a ticket by order like a 369, you can get $10, or you can get 3698, you can get $50. And if you get 6 all correct, you can get $500, or maximum price amount. This maximum price amount is $500. You can get easily $500. You can do it daily, and you can check your luck daily and get paid via. And this is the sum of the result. It's already finished result, guys. And this is the sum of the result. This is the sum of the result, and this is the sum of the ticket number, guys. 229448 779448. This is some of the result, and 289 winners, something like that. And this is the winner list, something easy, guys. And this is the referral, guys. I leave my referral link below. You can just get your referral, and you can get 5 ticket, guys. You can get 5 ticket easily. Just I leave my referral link, and I can get 5 ticket. It's a simple money, guys. You can get easily, simple, guys. Just, and you can minimum withdraw $100. Once you have $100, you can easily cash it, guys. Once you have $100, hit this one, and you can easily withdraw your money via PayPal, guys. And this is some settings. Easily withdraw your balance. Click withdraw your balance. You should have $100, guys. Like I said, once you get $100, you can easily click this button and withdraw money via PayPal. You can easily make this $100 within 1 week, or even more than that. I don't know. If you have a good enough luck, you can get paid some good amount of money with this. A simple app, like I said. You can don't need to anything, guys. You can don't need to use anything. Use referral, or you can draw lots of your attention in a service. It's not like any that, guys. Just a simple one. Just to put a number, and you can get paid. Simple one. And this is the whole video about how you can make money without any doing service, and without any getting referral. You can get paid some good amount of money just clicking some simple button. And it's easy and free PayPal money in 2020, guys. In quarantine, whatever it may be, you can get paid some good amount of money. If you watch this video till the end, guys, thanks for watching, guys. Make money online. Peace out.